Jeez, oh man, I was on the cast. Oh my God, if I catch this fish, I'll be shocked. Jeez, oh man. When I was about to cast it, he ate it.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dishes and Fishes, where I show you how to cook and set hooks. If you're a fly fisherman, then you gotta know how to nymph, because you can catch fish on nymphs all year long, spring, summer, winter, fall. Now today we're gonna talk about two different types of nymphing: Euro nymphing and indicator nymphing. If you've watched any of my other videos, you've seen me throw an indicator nymph quite a bit. And what that looks like is your indicator here, a leader, one nymph here, and today I'm throwing a pheasant tail, another leader here to your bottom nymph, and I'm throwing a stonefly. If the water's really slow like it is today, you shouldn't need any split shot, especially today I'm using a really heavy bottom fly. But if the water's a little bit faster and you find that your flies are kind of on an angle, then you're gonna wanna throw some split shot. And when you put those is nymph, you can put a split shot right here, other nymph, and if the water's really fast, you might need a second split shot up here. But today, it's really slow, no need for split shot. I like indicator nymphing for a few different reasons. Number one, if you're fishing a really wide river like this, you can cast an indicator nymph really far and cover a lot of water, which personally I like to do. The drawback for indicator nymphing is sometimes you get false takes. Those flies will get hung up in some rocks and it'll look like you get a bite, but it's really not. And second, you don't feel every bite, so you might miss some fish throwing an indicator nymph. If you're fishing on a really narrow river, you want to probably throw a Euro nymph. Euro nymphing is a type of tight line nymphing. So as those nymphs drift through the water, you want to maintain direct contact with those flies on the drift. And you'll notice my leader here, I have this white, black leader. That's a Euro nymphing leader. And what that does is you want to suspend this white part, or the bottom colored section, right above the water. And when that goes under the water, you know you have a bite. It's sort of like an indicator, but it's just on your leader. The advantages to throwing a Euro nymph are you feel every single bite. It allows you to kind of adjust your depth while you're drifting. So if you're drifting and you go over a rock and you go over a hole, you can lower the rod tip and get those nymphs down a little bit deeper. The main drawback with Euro nymphing is you can't cast it really far. You're kind of limited to the length of your rod. So a longer fly rod is good for Euro nymphing because you can get that fly out a little bit further. Let's see if we can catch some fish.
So I threw an indicator on because I saw fish blowing up out farther, and I couldn't quite get there with the Euro nymph. I put it right in the same line though. Little rainbow. Ate that big stonefly. That's a good one. Always good. That one hit hard. See, I'm letting the drag out on my finger. Feels good. That one hit nice. Another average rainbow. He hit hard though. Another on the stonefly. Oh my Lord. That was a nice bite. Took my top fly. Jeez, oh man, I was on the cast. Oh my God, if I catch this fish, I'll be shocked. Jeez, oh man. When I was about to cast it, he ate it. Rock bass and I'm tangled. Oh my God, what a mess. Ooh. Ooh. Nice rainbow. Bye. Nope. Shoot. So this Euro nymphing line is also like pretty much braided line. So it never breaks, which is awesome. There we go. I've been missing a lot of fish, so he doesn't feel that big. Coughed it up. Yeah, buddy. Another one. Yeah, he's small. Little rainbow. Yeah.
So that's it, guys. If you learned something from this video or you liked what you saw, be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons, and I'll catch you in the next episode.